What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, man, I'm gonna introduce y'all to the spray wax that I use. And the reason why I highly recommend this spray wax, because you can use it in direct sunlight, you can use it if the car's wet, you can use it on your rims, you can use it on your door panels, you can use it pretty much anywhere you want to on your car. Now, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Here's the bottle right here. I bought a gallon of it. I'm gonna show you exactly how good this product is. All right, the first thing you wanna do is get you a microfiber cloth. I recommend using a microfiber cloth because it won't scratch your paint or crash the surface that you plan to use this wax on. I used this on my car the other day. And it rained, and as you can see, it's still kind of shining. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray a little bit right here on the hood. Take my microfiber cloth and wipe it. Not too hard, just wipe it down a little bit. Flip it over, dry it off. And I know it's hard to see on camera, but it's definitely shining. And you can use this on pretty much anything. For example, I have the black roof, and as you can see, I hope y'all can see it on camera, it's dirty, so I'm gonna spray a little bit. And excuse the wind, it's a little windy today. Take my microfiber cloth, wipe it down. Flip it over, dry it off. As you can see, my black roof is shining. See that? I mean, this stuff works magic, man. I can use this on my whole car and be like I just had it detailed. And trust and believe, this roof will scratch if you use the wrong stuff. So I'm telling you, this is the product you want to use. Not only can you use this product on your paint, you can also use it on the plastic around your doors. Let's see, I sprayed it down. Take a microfiber cloth, wipe it down. Look at that. It brings back the shine, and it also makes it look almost brand new. Look at that. Look at that, look how that shines. And it's not real sunny today, but if it was really sunny, you definitely can see it. Wipe it down. And this is the main thing I like to use this product on, is my windows. It is very hard to get my windows clean, so you can spray it on your window. Take your microfiber cloth, wipe. And it would definitely repel the water. Start raining. Look at that. Shining. It's very hard to keep windows clean these days. Look at that. Look at that. Clean. It's almost spotless. Now, if you have plastic dip rims like I do, you want to take this product, spray it. Excuse me, I got a little cold, so sniffing a little bit. So sprayed it down, just wipe. Just wipe it down. See all that black stuff? Just dry it off. See, I'm just gonna dry this part right here. See how shiny that is? And this is plastic dip. I'm telling you, this stuff, it's like magic, man. Look at that, shining. So I'm gonna leave a link where you can order this. You can order this product. Trust me, if you want to get this in your detail arson, you definitely want to have this, man. I highly recommend this product. And if this your first time joining my channel, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.